Welcome back. This is the train channel. We're back in Erie, Pennsylvania after we got back from Meadville today. That train you just saw here, symbol is CSX, I158. That train originates to North Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, or North Baltimore, Ohio it is, and terminates to Philadelphia, PA, where this train terminates. All on this Tuesday, February 11, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. It's pretty good. We just got back from Meadville a few moments ago. So, for that luncheon and one other thing we just did today. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this Norfolk. I just seen, and just before, we started the second of 3 live streams today, there was a Norfolk Southern local train coming. We'll get that here in just a few minutes. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on when this NS local comes by. Talk to you later.